We've just completed the installation here at Copiah-Lincoln Community College in Western Mississippi. We've got 20 Skillveri units that we're using for, and you see 2 of them here that we have set up as portable. We're going to take these and use them when we go out and meet with students, new prospective students, and on high schools around our area. I can tell you that the experience has been wonderful. The work with Skillveri and Deepa and Gerald has been awesome. I think that we have a relationship that they're going to back up their product. They're going to be with us as we roll out in August when all of our students come in. And we're just really excited about what this is going to do for our program here. One of the big obstacles, I guess, that most people are all facing is the cost of materials these days. Materials are very expensive, and when you bring people in and they're learning, you go through a whole lot of material, you go through a whole lot of welding rods, you go through a whole lot of wire, you go through a whole lot of electrodes. Like this, we get all of the training to do through the virtual reality simulators, and then we take them out. And we're hoping to cut our cost. As opposed to using 33 plates, we're hoping that we'll be able to use 3 plates at this point in time moving forward, and we'll verify the student skills, check on that, check off on that skill, and move on to the next skill. So we're really excited about what this is going to do, and we'll give you updates as the system rolls out, we deploy it. I know that the feedback we've got from our instructors has been absolutely exceptional. The detail as far as the sound that it's supposed to sound like, the way that the sound and the position, the electrode matches is unparalleled. It's one of the best products that we've seen, and that's why we went with Skillveri, and we're really excited about what the future holds for our program here at Copiah.